For today's Science Corner, we are going to make elephant toothpaste. Here are the materials we need: a plastic bottle, hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, food coloring, a small container, yeast, and warm water. First, I'm going to pour hydrogen peroxide into the bottle. I will also add some drops of dish soap and food coloring. Then I will place some yeast and warm water into this container and mix. Finally, I will pour the yeast mixture into the bottle and watch what happens. When hydrogen peroxide breaks down, it turns into oxygen and water. Normally, this breakdown happens very slowly, but we can make the reaction happen faster by adding the yeast. The reaction that happens forms bubbles, which usually escape the liquid and pop quickly. By adding the dish soap, we force the bubbles to get trapped, creating lots of foam. The foam looks like a giant squeeze of toothpaste. This surprising reaction reminds me that when Jesus comes back to earth after the millennium, the earth would have been desolate for 1,000 years, looking old and mostly destroyed. But just like the foam seemed to appear out of nowhere, Jesus will renew our earth and make it beautiful in ways that I'm sure will surprise us.